In order to use Equatio, you need to add the Equatio extension to your Google Chrome browser. To do that, navigate to chromewebstore.google.com or go to the three dots in the upper right-hand corner of your Google Chrome browser, scroll down to Extensions, and then select Visit Chrome Web Store. In the Chrome Web Store, in the search bar, enter Equatio, E-Q-U-A-T-I-O, and tap Enter. You will see the Equatio extension, click on it, and select Add to Chrome. Then select Add Extension in the pop-up that appears. You will see a notice that Equatio Math Made Digital has been added to Chrome. When you close this notice, the Equatio button will disappear, but you can click on the Extensions drop-down and select to pin the Equatio extension to your extension bar. Now Equatio, the blue diamond, has been added to your extension bar and is easy and available to use.